Kim, here in Houston, we have pretty extreme weather on the way, temperature-wise. Quite the change-up.
Right, temperature-wise, but the power of wind is just remarkable and just so devastating. Our thoughts are definitely with our friends in Colorado right now. But for us, the weather headlines are very important to keep track of because you're going to see a very different change as now we are in 2022, a new weather pattern for the new year. So we are very breezy today with gusts getting to about 25 miles an hour, temperatures soaring to records again, but a big change-up comes in overnight. We're going to drag in an Arctic air mass that's going to bring us wind from the north, dropping temperatures into the 30s by tomorrow morning. All right, Galveston has already broken a record. It's already clocked in at 77 degrees. The last record 76. Hobby looking to make it up into the upper 80s today, shattering the old record. Mid 80s for Bush. That would also shatter the old record. A check at current conditions right now. Everybody hovering in the mid to upper 70s. Now let's take a wider look there. You can see the divide of that cold air already pushing into the Texas Panhandle. Amarillo at 14 degrees. Now let's go back a little bit wider too, because my goodness, Minnesota minus 30 degrees. North Dakota minus 20. That's the air that's going to make its way over here. Now, we're not going to get into the negative territory, but we are certainly going to see some freezing conditions. Now, the main severe weather is going to stay well off to the north and to the east, but I want to show you the winter storm warnings, the winter watches in effect. There's also some severe storm potential with tornadoes and erratic wind and flash flooding. For us, we're looking at two warnings. One that is imminent. It is the freeze warning that's going to happen for our northern and western counties. That's until 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. And then temperatures continue to drop. So there's a freeze watch that extends to the coast. That's for Monday morning. Now let's watch this front as it sweeps through. We're going to go from the low 80s to mid 80s this afternoon, dropping into just the upper 30s by tomorrow morning. And that's coupled with a shift in wind direction. Strong wind from the north, gusting at 25 to 30 miles an hour by the time this front passes through, is going to bring us a very strong wind chill value. So while actual temperatures will be in the mid to upper 30s, feels like temperatures are going to plummet into the low 30s, even some mid 20s, potentially even some teens in our northern and western counties. So get ready. It's going to be a big shakeup. We're going from what feels like 85 degrees today to what feels like 35 for the high temperature. Actual high temperature for tomorrow, 44, but with that wind chill value, it's going to feel 10 degrees cooler. We hold on to that cool air momentarily, start to rebounding on Tuesday with seasonable conditions, and then we see another front push through by Friday. So we got a little repeat weather pattern now coming in with some cooler air on the way.
Wild weather.
Huge drop.
Okay, so we're talking about a light freeze tomorrow, covering plants. You said not to worry about the pipes.
Yes, so we're not going to see those temperatures drop so significantly where you have to worry about pipes, but definitely the 3 Ps. So people, plants, and pets.